Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. All right, so this next series is going to be on the best way to learn Tai Chi. Tai Chi is based on the idea that mind moves Chi, Chi moves body. If you're not doing this, you're not doing Tai Chi. So it's very important that you release all complexity out of the initial learning process and engage simplicity through repetitive loops. So let's say a person's learning the opening of the form. They need to generate a loop so that they can learn the movement and go through that repetitive loop to the point where they can watch themselves do the movement. As soon as they can watch themselves do the movement, then they can relax, hang the muscles, open the joints, tune the fascia, activate Jin, and mobilize the movement through the facial web, cultivating Jin, feeling of life force. As soon as they've put that into the loop, then they can relax and release time, cultivate the feeling of Qi. Then the mind moves the Qi to radiate through the body and move the body in a Tai Chi way through the repetitive loop. Once they've mastered the first loop, they've got the fabric and the understanding to master all the loops. Then you go from one movement to the next, going through the loop. You go through the loop as a form. You go, let's say the opening of the form has this open and close. And there's a spinning push-and set. You put into the loop, feeling the feeling of Qi. Then there's the applications of that movement for self-defense that you put into those loops, and you do all the applications as loops, like playing tennis, throw the energy backwards and forwards, and you do the Fajin exercises inside of those loops. So you're developing the listening, you're developing the flow, you're developing the power, and you're balancing it all out as an expression in application. And the simplicity is the key. If you want to incorporate the feelings of vital and astral or energy or Qi into your form, you need simplicity. Simplicity allows the mind to expand. Complexity makes the mind contract. When the mind contracts, it engages the intellect. When it expands, it opens up for intuitive insight, intuitive knowing, how to feel the energy. So we have to learn how to train with a large amount of space and relax and release the body mechanically in the correct way to produce the right type of energy, vitally and astrally, to perform the form. So in the learning process, this is very, very important that these repetitive loops are developed with the correct type of thinking. Okay, thank you for your time. See you in the next video.